So in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your front page using Elementor. So when you log into the dashboard, you're going to come here and you're going to go pages and click on all pages. Then these are the pages that are on your website. We've got your Rockberry, we've got your portfolio, we've got your contact us and your about us. So your front page will always say front page like that. That is the page that we have told WordPress to dedicate as your front page. So now there are 2 or 3 ways that we could access your front page. We can click on edit here, which will log us in, which we'll go and show you. Then you would have to click edit Elementor. Or we can click straight on edit Elementor, just like that. Or what we can do, which is my preferred way, is we go view. So we let the page load and then we see the page we're on and then we just click edit with Elementor. And then it will load Elementor's page builder. Now this loading time depends obviously on your internet speed. So mine's fluctuating a little bit today due to load shedding. So let's hope it loads quickly. There we go. Okay, the way we know it's loaded is because properly is because these are operational. If on the side here when it loads it's grayed out and it's got a circle, that means it's just trying to process, just maybe reload your page and then it will be fine. So as you can see here, this is your menu here. As you can see, as I hovered over, on the top here it says header. So now we can't actually access the background of it because as you can see at the top here, now if you put your eyes just above the menu, you see there's like a little pink tab. Okay, now that's how we edit the background image. So if I hover over to get there, we can't access it because the menu gets in the way. So that's why on the left hand side we've got the navigator here. So the navigator, if we click on it, the section brings us down. So we've got the section, which is the row. Then we've got the column, which is where we've got the writing here. Then we've got the header, we've got the text, and then we've got the button. Okay, so we've got 3 sections in there. So let's go and change the background image. We've got the section here. On the left-hand side, as you can see, it changed. We've got the width, we've got the height. See, like that. Okay. Back to 96. Then we're going to go to style and there is the image here. So when you upload an image, if you want to change it, always try to make the image nothing more than, as you can see here, 500 kilobits. The less is better because obviously that's your loading time. So, and also you've got to try to make it, the image that you want to load there has to be landscape, not portrait. If you put portrait, which we'll select here, you'll see what will happen is it actually just zooms in. You see, now you've lost the whole aspect. So if we choose this one here, which is landscape, you can see the whole image. Now the changes that I'm going to make here, we're not going to save. So they will not be showing when you come to see the website. So just to come back to the welcome to Rockberry, all we've got to do here, we click on it on the left hand side, we can go hi there, and as you can see on the right hand side here it appears, or we could actually select it there and make the changes. So we can go hi there, and then as you can see on the left hand side here it has appeared. So that is how you'll do change your heading. We can change it to heading 1, heading 5, heading 2 is okay. We can change the position in here. You see, then we come down to the text editor. As you can see, kind of looks, if we push this toggle, kind of looks like a Word document. There, if we wanted to say that, say we want to make that bold, we can click there, make it bold. We can change the style, put it underlined. The one thing I am going to say though is please, if you want to centerize it, don't highlight it and centerize it there. Rather, go to style and centerize it here. The reason is that if I centerize it here and click, now I'll go to style. As you can see there, when I click, it doesn't actually change it here. Look, it doesn't. The reason is because if we go to the text side, we've told by clicking the centerize button here, we've now added these lines of code which overwrites the Elementor styling tab. That's why always try to style it using this here. All right. Then here you can change your color as you want. Make it black, make it whatever you want. Then we've got the button here. So this is linking to your portfolio, which we've got it as a category called portfolio. If we want to change the wording here, we can just go view our work that we have done. And as you can see, it changes it there. If we want to go to style, we've got the normal. So let's say we want to make the background red, just like that. Then we can go to hover, and then we can change the color here. Look, let's make it white and change the writing red. As you can see there, look. So put it like that. There we go, as you can see. So that's basically how you'd edit a button. Now the beauty of showing you this section here is, funny enough, when we scroll down to the next rows, it's exactly the same. This has just got an image icon. However, look here, it's the heading, which is the same as the top here. This is a text document, text editor widget, same as the one here. This here is just a text box where we've got, if we go to style and we go to content and we go to icon, we've got a hover function. You see, we can make it grow even. Okay.
I didn't catch that. Could you try again?
Apologies, that was Siri going off. So you can make it grow, and you can have some, as you can see there, it just grows there when you click on the icon. So there's just some different aspects you can do. This section here is just an image. So if you design an image in Corridor or Photoshop or Canva, right, you can literally just place an image here. Upload, click on the image, go to upload, click select files, and there you go. You could just change it like that. Right, we scroll down here. These are some projects. So this here is actually a widget which will show 3 columns. If we go change it, it will show 4 columns. But if we move the navigator, you see nothing's there. We can make it show 2 columns, and then it goes down to the next row. Right, these are our projects. So these are the projects that we've got here. So there's nothing really you can style on here. If we come here, we can maybe just the image overlay on the image can be a bit different, but if we do it, then we can't. If we change the overlay, then we can't really see the writing. So that's why we've got it a bit darker. And see image overlay, and there we can see we can change that, make it a bit lighter, for example. So when you hover over it, it goes a bit lighter. Right, so those are the images. This again is just a row. If we click on it, we click style, there is the background there. This is a heading, and this is a contact with a link going to the contact page. And that is how you'd edit your front page.